Hello and welcome to this video. I'm gonna explain to you how I made $6,000 trading reversals on Bitcoin. Now, I have clipped a few parts from a live that I was doing today. So this is gonna be an explanation about every single thing that I did. Also on the live I explain my thoughts so you can grasp my logic fully behind the concepts and the trading which I'm doing. So if you want to understand how I made 6 grand in just a couple of minutes, stay with me until the end. So the first video, there we go, candle. There's no volume at the lows, so pretty much can be a quick move down as well. Like an example here, you see most of the volume of the candle is up, and then you close down, then you come back test that volume node and you move down. So what can happen here is you can leave lots of volume here, you can come back into the imbalance zone, you can come back test the high volume node, and then we can look for shorts from there. So remember this what I'm saying right now, with the high volume node back test coming into an imbalance and then coming back to test the high volume node is gonna come into play later. I'm looking for the reversal down to the edge of lows, and maybe this is my entry, this one. Okay, am I following my risk parameters? Yes, absolutely. Okay, so here I entered that once we actually, if price decides, because it can always get invalidated, right? It can always happen and we can have a re-entry, but don't worry about it. My point was to stop into the Monday high and actually not have a daily directional bias right now. So here I didn't get the full clip, but in this one I did explain that most people are not accepting the risk. Once they enter there, they're like, maybe I'm not gonna get stopped. Fuck it. Stop me out. I don't give a shit. I know what I'm doing. Stop me out. I don't care. I really don't care. And this is what people don't understand, the logic behind trading, that you should not care if you get stopped out or not. You're playing a strategy which has stats based behind it. So watch till the end. When you enter a trade, accept the risk of getting stopped out and taking a loss. Move below is below this high volume node, so we can trap people, right? Here we're right now, there is no trap people yet. That's what I'm telling you. It can go up and it can stop me out, but I am fine with getting stopped out. I'm fine with getting stopped out. 100% fine. You see what
maybe it will, maybe
it won't. This is no financial advice. Let's make money. That's what it says in the back. Move below is below this high volume node. If you want to make money in this business, don't be a fucking pussy. Watch this. Now this is gonna come into the first breakdown. Let's check what's going on. So what can we see? A bearish CVD, increase in open interest, very clean invalidation. What I told you earlier, you're gonna come back, you're gonna test the high volume node, gonna have a bounce to test the upper high volume node. What's happening right now? The same thing which I just explained. So my invalidation, I'm gonna move it lower and I'm actually gonna compound the trade. Why am I gonna move it lower? Because of the bearish CVD. Simple. Because it gives me even a clearer. There we go. So where is the trade right now? What did we do? We came down and we came to take out the London low. Yeah, that's what happened. We came down, we take out the London low, and most likely we're just gonna continue lower. However, the point is that this is how I execute, this is the way I trade. So this breakdown is not only for you to watch and to understand what I'm doing, but also I help myself by reviewing what I was doing back then. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and comment.